Changing the voicemail alert sound on your iPhone 15 allows for personalization and can help you distinguish voicemail notifications from other alerts, enhancing your user experience. In this video, we'll explore how to modify the alert tone for new voicemails on your iPhone 15 series. This is often needed whenever your iPhone voicemail alert sound stops working as intended. To start, let's navigate back to the home screen by swiping upwards from the bottom of the screen. Once you're on the home screen, locate and tap on the Settings icon. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics and give it a tap. Now scroll down a bit more and tap on New Voicemail. You'll see a list of different sounds. Scroll through this list and choose the sound that you prefer. By default, the sound is set to Droplet. To change this, simply tap to mark your preferred alert sound. After applying recent changes, check to see if your voicemail alert sound issue is resolved. If not, try adjusting your iPhone's Do Not Disturb settings. There's a good chance that voicemail alerts are muted when DND mode is activated. In this case, you can configure the DND filters and set exceptions for voicemail alerts. Just head over to the DND Focus Settings menu and then add a focus filter or exception for voicemail app notifications. In rare cases, voicemail notification issues can likewise be attributed to your carrier's voicemail service. Should this be the case, updating the carrier settings on your iPhone 15 can help. You can manually download and install carrier settings updates on your iPhone by heading to Settings and General menu, particularly in the About section. And that covers everything in this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you for watching.